Good afternoon, our Facebook friends at Wallin Klarich. This afternoon, for all of those who were waiting to inhale on November 9th, good news. Proposition 64 passed, and marijuana is legal in California. Sort of. Many of you might have thought that the day that this law passed, it would allow you to smoke marijuana with who you wanted and where you wanted and transport it anywhere you wanted. Unfortunately, not yet. So the first question everyone's asking, and I have the answer to, is where can I smoke pot and how much of it? The answer is one place and one place only. In a home or an apartment, inside or outside the apartment, on your property, so long it is not open to public view. So you can have friends over your house and you can each be smoking a joint, but you have to be on your property where it's not open to public view. So that's good news. How much pot can I have? The answer is 28.5 grams. 28.6 grams and you can go to jail. So make sure you do not have over that amount. So that's the first thing. The next thing, but if I want to smoke pot and I don't have a medical marijuana card, where do I get the pot legally? The answer for now in California is nowhere. That's because in California, you cannot buy pot unless you buy it at a store authorized by the state of California to sell pot. The problem is there are no such stores yet in California, and there may not be for a year. So for those of you that are smoking pot and getting your pot elsewhere, technically that's against the law. Will the police come into your house for that reason to arrest you? Probably not, but technically for now, you're violating the law. If you want to sell pot in California, can you do that? The answer is yes, but you need a license. It may not be until January of 2018 before you can get a license. But if you are not a convicted felon, you could get a license to sell pot. What about growing pot? Everyone would like to know, if I can't buy it, can I grow it and smoke it? The answer is yes. Up to 6 plants, you can grow it. However, in the very near future, cities are likely going to pass laws to allow you to need a license for growing pot even in your own house. So, summary, can I smoke pot? Yes, in my house. Can I sell pot? No, not yet. Not without a license. Can I buy pot? No, those would be crimes. So keep up on all the laws, and what is really important to know also is what about having pot in my car or having pot in my pocket as I walk down the street to a concert? Well, it is legal to have less than 28.5 grams of pot while you walk on the street. No cop will hassle you, or if they find it, you won't be arrested for that, nor would it authorize them to search the rest of you for other drugs that you might have. Can I have pot in my car? Sure. Is it now legal to have pot in my car? Yes. Can I smoke pot while driving? No. Can I get arrested for driving under the influence of pot? Yes, just like DUI. Another critical part of this law that's going to help millions of people that I need to tell you about is what if I have a prior conviction for possession for sale of marijuana or possession of marijuana? What if it's a felony? What if it's a misdemeanor? The great news is you can call Wallin Klarich, you can come in and hire us, and we likely can get that crime wiped off your record. So for those of you that are having trouble getting a job or seeking a government employment or seeking a state license, and that is in your way, we can get it out of the way. So this law is far-reaching, and in the future it's going to raise hundreds of millions of dollars for taxpayers. It's a great law. I'm glad it passed. But please don't think that this law means you can smoke dope anywhere, you can sell marijuana, you can buy it on the street. You can't, and you'll still be arrested for those things. I hope you have a great week. and enjoy whatever you decide to smoke.